Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about Air Cabin reviews, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this website, and it is an online shopping store which is based in United Kingdom that deals with multiple products including Sterry, Skycar USB atmosphere lights, bracelet Eva rapid fire dart blaster set, kits construction fortress building kit, professional all-in-one spring comb trimmer, etc. So you can take a look at the exclusive collection of the site along with the prices, which are too good to be true. Now guys, talking about payment information, so at the bottom of the web page you can see modes of payment available on the website are PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, American Express and Mastrio. And you can also visit the payment method section. Here you can get the entire payment information. So you can connect your PayPal credit card, debit card or bank account to PayPal for purchasing any product. Now let's talk about shipping policy, guys. So you need to visit the shipping information section, and this is the shipping information page. Here they have provided the exact standard shipping duration, which is 12 to 20 days. And apart from that, they have also mentioned the express shipping duration for different countries, and you can read the entire knowledge for your convenience and knowledge, guys. You can read the entire information. Now let's talk about other information, but before going further, I request you all to hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, talking about the HTTPS connection, this site is using a valid and secure HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. But talking about its domain information, the domain name was created on 15th of June 2020. So guys, this is an old website, but this is not enough to judge its legitimacy, as according to our study we have found that this particular domain is registered for 1 year only. So short expectancy domain can't claim this website legit. So let's check out the About Us page to know more about this website. So here is the About Us page, but you can see they have provided fake About Us information. They have used the content of other websites, which is a negative sign, guys. So it makes the site quite suspicious. And apart from that, they have not provided any information related to business establishment year, business owner name, brand connection info, etc. So let's check out the contact details of this site. So this is the contact us page, guys. They have provided an email address and company's official address along with the contact number, but these details are not legit, guys. Again, this is a negative sign. The email which is given on this web page doesn't matches with the domain name, which is a bad sign. Now talking about social media existence, so the site has no social media existence at all, which is a red high alert, which also makes the site quite suspicious. Now talking about return policy of the site, guys, you need to visit the return policy section. And here they have mentioned 14 days return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, do not forget to comment about your experience regarding the return or refund of the product. It will give benefit to other customers. And talking about Air Cabin reviews, we have found no reviews about the site on the internet, guys. And we are not able to find the single customer review on the official website as well, which is a biggest drawback of this website. And apart from that, this site is not popular online because this website has too low traffic, or the trust index score of this site is 8%. So there are too many loopholes as the website has too low traffic, guys. So we can't claim this website legit. And apart from that, this website is ranked too low among millions of other websites according to Alexa Traffic Rank. And they have also used the content of other scam and problematic sites, which is a characteristic of a scam site. So guys, in the final conclusion, the website appears to be scam, and absence of complete about us information, low traffic score, zero social media presence, zero security measure, poor design of website, copied content, website low traffic, led to believe us that it is a suspicious site and possibly a scam, guys. So you should stay away from such type of websites. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more scam alert notifications. I'll get back to you with another scam alert. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.